What I'm going to do is attach this vise to this mill so that the jaws run parallel to the motion of the table or the T-slots, either one. First thing I'm going to do is install the bolts that hold down the vise and snug them up ever so slightly with my hand. Then I'm going to move the vise back and forth, and we'll see that there's about a 1/4 inch of movement. Then I'm going to move the vise back so it's right about in the middle of that movement. And I'm going to tighten down this particular bolt. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to be able to rotate the vise back and forth about this bolt. Next thing I'm going to do is install a ground parallel into the vise and let it overhang past this bolt about which I'm going to be rotating the vise. Next, I'm going to place an indicator into the spindle and bring it down so that it just touches the parallel. And I'll set it on a number approximately 0. It's not critical. Now you'll notice if I rotate the vise back and forth that the indicator moves a little bit. For instance, I'll move back over here and you'll see that it moves quite a bit, about 4 thousandths. And as I move over here, it becomes less and less. And then as I keep on moving, it becomes more and more. So what I want to do is I want to find the position where as I rotate the vise, the indicator is moving the least. I'll be right about there. Now I'm going to set this to exactly 0. And then I'm going to move the indicator down to the other end of the parallel. You'll see that the indicator is moving, indicating that the jaw is not parallel to the motion of the table. Now I'm going to rotate the vise back so that it reads 0. And that should do it. Now if we go down to the other end, it should stay 0 as we move. And it does exactly. Next thing we do is tighten the other bolt. And snug this bolt. And we're done.